This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone and the Google app are updated, and you have a secure screen lock like PIN or fingerprint. Once done, open the Google app, tap your profile icon, then go to Settings. From there, choose Google Assistant settings so you can access lock screen options. Make sure basic permissions are allowed. This is the step that lets Assistant appear on lock screen. Do this now so the next steps will work smoothly. Next, in Assistant settings, locate the lock screen or personal results section and enable the toggle to allow Assistant responses when locked. Grant microphone and notification permission so Assistant can hear and surface replies. Also enable any show content on lock screen settings. Set up voice match so it recognizes you and restricts others. Make sure personal results are allowed if you want calendar, messages, and reminders. These details control what information Assistant can reveal while locked. Finish by testing Assistant with a query like, "Hey Google, what's my next appointment?" Observe what shows on the lock screen and tighten personal results if needed. If you want fewer details visible, turn off specific content types in the same settings. If Assistant doesn't respond or shows blank results, reboot the device, verify the screen lock is active, confirm microphone and lock screen permissions, and update or reinstall the Google app. That single troubleshooting sequence fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.